Hi everyone, I'm Charlotte from Killer Beauty, and today we will be looking at the PIXL needle cartridges from Tina Davies Professional. Designed by Tina herself, these needle cartridges have been carefully created to solve the daily problems that PMU artists face. So let's get into it. Fans of the original Tina Davies cartridges will be familiar with the comfortable, unique finger ledge, which has been tweaked and improved as part of the PIXL cartridge design. This ledge helps to maximise artist control and reduce any fatigue on the fingers and hands during lengthy treatments. The new and improved design of the PIXL cartridges promotes high performance and minimises any trauma to the skin. The no-drip tip technology has been developed to prevent pigment pooling, give complete visibility and improve accuracy whilst working. With the PIXL design, Tina has really listened to artists' concerns and created these cartridges to combat those reoccurring issues. The tapered fit of the cartridge increases stability and means you can implant pigment with complete precision during every treatment. The 6mm long taper of the needle itself will reduce trauma to the client's skin for accurate implantation and quick and healthy healing. The patented safety membrane of each cartridge prevents any backflow and makes the PIXL cartridges completely hygienic to use with your PMU machine. Each needle cartridge also comes in an individual, sterile packaging for optimum safety. The PIXL cartridges have a universal connection, meaning they are compatible with most PMU machines, like the Xeon S from Microbio, which we have here. The PIXL cartridges are available in a range of configurations, needle sizes and diameters, including round liner, round shader and curved magnum. Sample boxes can also be purchased, which are ideal for artists who wish to try out a few different needle cartridges at one time. If you want to try the Tina Davies Professional PIXL cartridges, you can find a link in the description to order yours from Killer Beauty today. If you've already tried them, let us know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe and turn on notifications to be the first to see our brand new videos.